Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Please be informed that your arrival will be at KLIA2. The local time now is 47 minutes past 1 in the afternoon. For your safety, please remain seated and usage of mobile phones are still not allowed until the fasten seatbelt sign above you has been switched off. Do be careful when opening the overhead compartments. As a reminder, please check your seat pockets and the overhead compartments and kindly ensure that all your personal and valuable belongings, such as wallets, passports or electronic devices are with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board and we look forward to seeing you again soon. If you need any assistance on arrival, please contact the ground staff. On behalf of Airasia, Captain Darius, First Officer Shafiq and the rest of the crew members today, we would like to say thank you for choosing Airasia to destination and have a pleasant stay.
Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, kita telah mendarat ke destinasi anda. Untuk keselamatan, anda diminta terus duduk dan penggunaan telefon bimbit tidak dibenarkan sehingga